maintain overall well-being. It contains practices of daily habits like brushing and flossing, as well as regular dental checkups and cleanings are needed. Oral hygiene is necessary to prevent tooth decay, gum diseases, and other problems. We should follow these tips for healthy teeth. Brushing at least twice a day with toothpaste helps to remove remaining food particles. Flossing removes food particles where toothbrush cannot reach. Regular visits to the dentist for checkups and cleanings are essential for treatment of oral health. We should eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables and avoid eating candies. Guys, we should focus on our oral health as well because it is important for our overall health. As I said, that's it for now. Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.